Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll show you how to update your Windows operating system. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, click the Start menu and click on the Settings icon. In the Settings window, click on Update and Security. Now you will be in the Windows Update section. Here, click on Check for Updates. Windows will start scanning for any available updates. If updates are available, you will need an option to download and install. Here you can see that my PC is already up to date. So I'm not gonna download and update it again. So normally you have to click on the download, and after downloading you have to click on the install button. And that's it. After the updates are downloaded, you may need to restart your computer. You will get a prompted saying restart now or schedule the restart. Just normally click on the restart now button to apply the updates immediately. And that's it. You have successfully updated your Windows. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more quick tech tips. See you next time.